India is a democratic country and agriculture country. Three farm bills are implemented in the month of September 2020. The main aim of three farm bills to increase the growth of farmers and also their income. If we talk about the project of it will be the buyer and seller are free from the broker. The broker will not get money and will not interrupt between buyer and seller.
Like
That
it
is
is an unfair way that we talk about farmers in a protesting. It is a very bad for our country. Firstly, we should be think about that this bill is really helpful for the farmer or not. Firstly, I think the government should be negotiate with the farmer. As you know that our country is democratic country, and farmer have a right to talk to our government what is the bad for and beneficial for them.
We should aware of these bills, and we should aware our farmers also what are what are the gains of these bills, and that our farmers who are protesting against government, we all know that our governments that take any step always never bad, and our government also takes
In one
good
hand, it is that our government increase the private sectors and they are know that their future in the private sector are not good, and this is the reason that our farmers are protesting.
Yes, I am
agree with you because I am in the favor of you. I want to say that the 60% economy of our country it's come from farming, and if we talk about the condition of farmer, the condition of farmer is not good in the government of BJP. If I talk about
In one hand, it is
if I talk about the privatization of farming, it is not good. I think that
It is in one hand it is very useful for the farmers because we can reduce the we can reduce the middleman from the buyer and seller, and in another hand it is very harmful for the farmers because the private employers can dump the crops, and after that they can increase the value of the crops when they sell.
Farmers are worried to think that after some time minimum support price will be eradicated and they can't get a minimum price from their products. So they are protesting in
There are a lot of farmers who can sell their crops in anywhere in the country.
Understand that if we will reduce the middleman, how can possible that farmer will talk to the direct to the investor?
this is the main reason that our farmer protesting that government should thought and this idea.
I agree with you. Our government should negotiate with the farmers that what is good for them and what's not. It should be their mentality that
Actually, what is happening recently? We heard in the last couple of months, and you may say that a couple of years, the government is making many new rules, and just for the growth of country. And it has been proved that almost all the decisions are very good. We should appreciate the decision which is taken by the government. Here the matter is that the government is trying to improve the condition of farmers. We heard that for last 70 years, more than that, from the India got freedom, the farmers are committing suicides, and that's why they wanted to take a step just to improve the condition, and that is why it was the initiation, the great initiative taken by the government. But here I found there are some loopholes behind this bill, and that is why loophole maybe that the farmers are not aware about what the loopholes are. Farmers are unsecure about this. They are not secure because they believe that the private sector is going to dominate. They believe that behind them there is always support of government, and they believe after this bill that support will not be there and they cannot fight with the private sector. That is the main issue, I believe. That's why the farmers are.
As we know that nowadays we are living in 21st century. We are living in development country. If we want to develop, we should change our mentality because change is the main perspective. Because if we want to live in 21st century, we can't live with 1940s rule.
But we should understand that what is main concern of farmers.
Yeah, friend, I agree.
there is some
Main concern of farmers is in two things. First is MSP, second is Special Commodity Act. First MSP, as our agriculture minister said, MSP will be remain in all time. And second thing is Special Commodity Act, which is I think not good in perspective.
This is a good step.
there is something which is
I think when private player invest in the market, they think about only their
Their personal
benefit.
benefit.
When they think about farmer,
It is that in this time the government is giving the all things and all power to the private companies, and the you government also saying that middle person will be the reduced. How is possible that a farmer will talk to that person?
I'm
And
agree.
he has
Our
no
government
knowledge.
says that India is agriculture country, but in the second hand we can see the farmers, millions of farmers are protesting right now. Our government should negotiate with them and communicate and aware all about the three farm bills.
If
I agree
When
with
we
the
pass
there is
the
something
parliament-
which is hidden from farmers, and government should have to cooperate with the farmers.
It is
In my
I-
opinion, in Corona period, we saw that many people are losing their job due to coronavirus, and they return back home and they cannot do anything for their livelihood. But and we saw that a private company, they people are working in private company and they are losing permanent security.
It is a
And
good
after implement on three farm bills, farmers is not free to sell and purchase crops in any sector.
If they will pass it,
If everything is going on private sector, what is the value of democracy?
If government is
if they will
democracy
pass
means
it-
if government really going to eradicate the MSP, then what should be their backup plan? They should explain.
Our agriculture
If
minister
they-
also said MSP will be remain all time. As we know that our prime minister will also said.
It is a good
Farmer. That farmer can sell the any fare of their crop. I think this is a beneficial for the farmer. And something is a loopholes in a bill. I think if the government will be the negotiate with the farmer, it will be a
Yes, I agree.
in our parliament,
First of all, we will have to cooperate with the farmers. And then
Negotiate. We need to negotiate with the farmers. What are their issues exactly? Government should listen to them, and they should, at least if there is any misconception between the farmers, they should just come negotiate and they should try to.
How should
This is a good
how
step
should it be
because-
beneficial for them if farmers are not getting the minimum support price?
As we know,
they
I can
want
say
and they
that
want?
our agriculture minister and Modi also said that MSP will be remain.
there is no guarantee. There are
Listen to me. I have a question to ask you. It's like that I want to improve your condition, and you say that I don't want, but I will say you will die, but I will improve your condition. So
Yeah.
first of all, you need to understand him. You need to understand him that what is the real issue exactly, and how would you understand him? You are not ready to talk to him. If some farmers are protesting somewhere, at least you need to go there. What's wrong with that?
I can say
By
that
the slogans,
eighth
everything
round
is
of
going
the
on. By the slogans, everything is going on.
I agree
That's
with
it.
you as
India-
MSP will remain, but you
there is
have
no
to
guarantee.
told to the farmers they are not aware.
I have a question to ask you, Arshit. How MSP will remain? Tell me, if private sector is purchasing the money, purchasing the goods,
Government
how
will-
MSP will follow? What will be the
They-
role of
and
government?
And my opinion is that, and what are you do if any natural calamities come? In the present age, our government do some money for the farmer. If
Why
any-
only two states farmers are doing protesting? As we know that
Because they are the most educated, most
Not educated state is Kerala.
Listen,
You are
listen,
saying
but
that
they are
Kerala-
not dependent on agriculture. They are not dependent on agriculture.
They are not.
They are the two states
Just give me an example.
In Bihar, there is no APMC, so there is no minimum support price. To think this type of problem also occurred
It's
in
like
this
that.
type of states.
Indian government said that the trains will be private, and now you are saying the trains will be private, but I will decide the ticket.
Yes,
Is it
yes.
possible?
Yes,
No,
possible.
who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Possible government will.
I am not the one.
But in present time, we cannot deny it.
What is the rent of Tejas?
sir,
It's a private train.
Yeah.
What is the rent of Tejas? it's equal to the flight train. If you
Yeah.
flight
If
ticket,
you-
and you say that everything is going to happen.
If you give all the rights to the private sector, how can government
We cannot deny that our agriculture minister Narendra Singh Tomar is also trying to communicate the farmers and
By slogans only.
and the
They are not giving in return anything.
We can
but
not
why
deny
they
this
are not
bill
giving
is good
in
for
return?
us. And
He
this
should
bill
give
is
in the
somewhere
return
good.
and after
Can you explain it how it is good for us?
I think
if the farmer is finding rights to sell the anywhere of the crop, I think this is a good. And something is loopholes in the field. I think it should be correct. It should be talked to the farmers. And if you talk about so that the farmers should be aware, I think farmer organization is too aware about this bill. That's the reason they are protesting. We all should be aware about it. What is the reason behind it? Why the farmers is protesting on the highway and on the roads of the.
according to
Delhi?
yeah, friend, I agree with you.
Well,
According to me, government should give in return. Why the farmers are protesting? The government should give in return what they want.
I would like
Let's
to
see.
this
It's
is
like that I'm saying everything will be okay, everything will be okay. At the last, I will come.
Why they are not giving in return? He should be given. He should
If
be
there is a
given
matter
in
of
return.
MSP, if there is a matter of MSP, agriculture minister is saying, it will remain. Give them in return. The problem is sorted out. What's the issue then? Why don't you communicate? The point is, why don't you come to talk to them? Why are you scared? Why are you hidden? That's the point.
I would like to ask my friend, because if government are saying that it is very useful for the farmers, then he will have to come to talk to the farmers.
The main reason of the protest of farmers is that they are not certain.
Unsecurity.
Yes, they are not certain about the MSP is remain or not. That is the point.
Their unsecurity, they see their future is in dark. They see that after some time, landlord kind of activities will be there. That they will work in wages after some time because they believe that the private sector will dominate.
And I want to
So just
share
come
my,
and talk to them.
and I want to share my personal opinion that if the farmer is finding a money before the crop, I think that somewhere the farmer will grain and crop will be less. But many times farmer grain and crop will be the more. So how can possible that the grain and the farmers can find the before the crop money? I think it will be also discussed in the government.
It is
It is a contract farming. It is a contract farming. And where you show your product.
Farmer of Haryana burned their field. The field was fulfilled with vegetable. It is above the 500 acre. It is the protest of farmer.
In nowadays, if there is any field is burned, then we got a lot of money from the government. But when it is in private sector, who will give the money for the
They
farmers?
go for the profit only.
As we have seen, there many of the natural disasters
Yeah,
happen.
of course it happens. And we get some concession from the government.
But when it will private, then how should they get?
Yeah,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
agree with you
yeah,
in
yeah,
in
yeah,
the situation.
yeah.
Our
Okay,
government-
let me get the conclusion.
Now at last I would like to conclude and I would like to add the all friend point that if the farmer is protesting anywhere for our crops and grains, I think it is something a loopholes in there in the bill. I think that when the government will be negotiate with the farmer, I think when the correct and the cooperate with the farmer, I think it will be a good for us because the farmer is the base of our India.
I think it is not a good bill for the farmers. So government should talk with the farmers and give them satisfaction of what is the effect of it.
Only we can say that our government passed 3 bills. These are not good. According to me, the cooperation between government and farmer should be very good.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that if our government understands that the farm bill is very good for farmers, then our government should need to aware of the farmers.
I think at last I would say that in 3 bills, 2 is very good for my perspective because but government should also give in written that MSP will be remain and also a special commodity act will be spent.
At last, I want to conclude that if government is found at their point, then they have to negotiate with the government and also they have to
Give a surety.
give a surety
In return.
and it's a matter of concern.
At last, I want to say that that bills in one end it is very useful for the farmers because they can sell their crops in anywhere on in India. But it is in another hand it is very bad for the farmers because if there is any hidden fact, if there is any hidden fact, then government should have to tell the
Negotiate with the
negotiate and with the farmers.
According to my opinion, by the bills, first government should try to aware about all things to the farmers, and if these will be passed, this will be useful for the farmers because in the private sector the competition will increase, then the prices will be also increase. So it is a good.
At last, I would like to conclude the three farm bills which was implemented on the month of September. The main aim of is to double the income of farmers. But if we talk about the security in this bill, farmers cannot feel security. Our government should negotiate with them and give them in return what they want, and the result of it will be India grow in the agriculture field.
In my opinion, that if any issues between the farmer and this bill, then the government should clear all the negative points and clear it with the bills.